Good morning, student. Welcome back to online class of social. Let's continue our lesson, the Western Desert. Till now, we studied desert, the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert, land surface, climate in Western Desert, oasis, and life of the people in desert area. Today, we'll study about the means of transport in desert area. So, means of transport. An area used for carrying loads is called a pack animal. The camel is a pack animal of the desert. It is used as a means of transport. It has padded feet and can move easily on sandy land. It is called the ship of the desert. Means camel is called the ship of the desert because camel is only a means of transportation found in desert, and it has padded feet and can move easily on sand, and also has humps which help it to survive long period without water. Here you can see camel is used as a means of transport. Here also that people are on the camel and they are moving. Now let's see how the science and technology help us to change desert area into a green land. With the help of science and technology, we can turn even deserts into green lands. But if we are thoughtless, we can turn green lands into deserts. If we destroy our forest and don't care to grow new trees, the land will soon turn into a desert. So we must save our forest. We should keep growing plants and trees so that no new deserts are formed. For every single tree that we cut, 5 new should be planted. Means that today that our science and technology have developed so much that even we can turn desert area into a green land. But we are thoughtless. Then we can even turn the green lands into desert. Nowadays we are seeing for making roads and all, for developing cities, we are unnecessarily cutting the trees nearby roads, and even the forests also for making buildings and all. We are not caring about our nature. In this way, if we are going, then one day what will happen? We will turn our green land into a desert area. And so we must save our forest, and whatever tree that is left, we should save that tree, and we should keep growing plants and trees so that no new deserts are formed. Even for when we are cutting a single tree, that time we have to plant 5 more trees. In this way we can save our nature, and the desert area will not be formed. So this is the about Western Desert. Now come to points to remember. The Western Desert is called the Great Indian Desert or Thar Desert. Second point, it stretches between the Aravallis and the border with Pakistan, between Kutch and the Haryana border. Run of Kutch is in Gujarat. Only small bushes grow here and there in the desert. Fourth point, the days in summer are extremely hot and nights are cold. As we studied that sand absorbs heat very fast. At the same time, it cools very fast. In winter, it is extremely cold in the desert. Life in a desert is very hard. People have to keep moving from place to place in search of pastures for their animals. We studied that life in a desert is too hard as they don't have enough water. Even they have to move far to take water. Same way, they don't have enough food for them also and for their animals also. So they are moving place to place in search of pastures for their animals. At some places, there are springs of water. People can grow crops at such places. Places where we found oases, in that places people live permanently and they used to grow crops. Wheat, maize, gram and jowar are some of the crops of this region. This is the crops that they grow. When they live permanently, they grow wheat, maize, gram, jowar. The Indira Gandhi Canal has changed the face of the Western Desert. You know that the Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal of India, and it has changed the face of Western Desert. Mostly we can see now the desert area is turning into a green land. It is because of Indira Gandhi Canal irrigate the land in Rajasthan. We should grow new plants and trees to stop the spread of deserts. If we'll grow new trees, they will know new deserts. Okay, understood this much? Now come to the exercise. Filling the blanks with proper words. Life in a desert is too hard. Here you can see the answer. Life in a desert is too hard. Second, a sand hill is called sand dunes. Third point, the nights in a desert are cold. Fourth, camels are called the sheep of the desert because only camel is the only transportation found in desert. The canal that supply waters to the Indian desert is called Indira Gandhi Canal. So that much in Western Desert. Here we'll study 3 lessons. Lesson 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. That is the Northern Plain, Northern Mountains and the Western Desert. So you will get the vacation homework based on this lesson. Thank you.